Alright guys, so Chainsaw Man's stage at Jump Festa was kind of so-so, but 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 we did get another PV teaser of Makima and seeing how she looks in animation form, and and, and I do have to say she does look good. However, unfortunately, the PV only features Makima literally within the last 2 seconds, and and um and 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 sadly, guys, we 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 didn't get a confirmed release date of Chainsaw the anime, but for everybody that's been waiting for the Chainsaw Man part two as far as the manga wise to come out, Fushimaro Sensei did confirm in his animated appearance in the interview that he will actually be looking for a new assistant starting in March, March through April, and then that is when Fushimaro will officially begin working on Chainsaw Man Part 2 to officially drop in Shonen Plus by summer 2022. So yes, everybody. Chainsaw Man Part 2 will be dropping. Will finally be getting worked on, starting in probably early April or May, to be dropped sometime in the summer of 2022, and unfortunately no concrete release date on the Chainsaw Man Season 1 anime, but the PvP of Makima showing up at the very end did look good. Another thing that the interview did reveal is that Mappa Studios it is fully taking charge of Chainsaw Man's anime production, and they are still working with the Tashi, but Chainsaw Man's panel did also reveal that Fushimaro Sensei unfortunately only has minimal involvement, so that could spell some trouble for Denji and Makima's eventual reveal. And last, the stage also did reveal that the character that won the last Chainsaw Man popularity poll will actually have still a permanent role in Chainsaw Man Part 2 once it does drop this summer coming. Um, so, 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 so again, guys, the BB for Chainsaw Man, did feature Magima, disappearing right, right at the very end, um, then standing there in the spotlight on her own, and Fu- Fushimura did confirm that Chainsaw Man Part 2 will be dropping this summer, and as soon as the new assistant search is complete for April, that is when production on Chainsaw Man Part 2 will begin. It, it is again a little concerning, however, that Mappa Studios does not have that much involvement from Tashi Sensei. However, ha- however, hopefully, Denji Magima and Power will still be in good hands. Um, so, so yes, everybody, that was all that was pretty much revealed for Chainsaw Man. Have a good one.